This is a little bit annoying. This is the second Roundel I have had to replace. So I think BMW got some bad glue here. So you break the glue down by heating it up. This is my wife's hair dryer, and I do have permission to use it. Putty knife. I'm putting my hand behind her. It's got to be hot before I do anything. It's not even getting warm yet. Starting to get warm. The good news is my dealership just gave me one. I didn't have to buy it. I appreciate that. It's approaching hot, not there yet. Okay, let's see what we can do. Pretty hot. That's good. Okay, most of the adhesive stayed on the Roundel. That's good. Makes it easier for me. Put the spray on the paper towel and not the machine, not the fairing. And that shows me what I got to take off still. Okay, this is Goo Gone. I've also seen a brand called Goo Be Gone, whatever. Does the same thing. So again, I'm not going to spray the motorcycle. We'll spray the cloth kind of liberally here. Carefully, gently. Don't want to scratch my fiberglass, even under here. Okay, I have to admit my screwdriver put a little big bump in it. You won't see it. I can feel it. Clean paper towel, going back with a generic glass cleaner. Making sure none of that Goo Be Gone residual is there. Okay, so now it's time to get the new one out. Okay. Looks a little prettier there. You've got these two posts that need to go in right there. So we'll pull this off. Line it up carefully, post in there, and post in there. All right. I'll reach back here and push from both sides. There we go. Much better.